Open Door Award was created to recognize programs, projects, or activities that create a more welcoming downtown and are a model of inclusive practices. The 2023 Open Door Award goes to Kirsten Norgard of Kit's Apothecary in downtown Astoria. A lifelong resident of Astoria, Kirsten Norgard pours her heart and soul into everything she does. Kirsten started making products for herself and family members in response to health-related issues. In 2017, she decided to open her own business, Kit's Apothecary, out of a desire to help others. Faced with severe flooding in 2022, Kirsten didn't just close up shop. She took the leap and found a new location for her and fellow business owners in a historic downtown building undergoing extensive exterior renovations. Kirsten fell in love with the building and location and began interior renovations almost immediately, including space for a new coffee shop and a gluten-free bakery on the ground floor, and converting the downstairs into a home for Kit's Apothecary and other makers and artists. She included a lounging area for people to hang out. It wasn't long before the town started to take notice of the new life Kirsten was breathing into the building. Her goal is to create a space that is safe, inclusive, and inviting. The building is now a bustling hub of food, retail, art, music, and community in the core of downtown, and is home to events like Astoria's first queer market. Downtowns thrive because of people like Kirsten. Her commitment to the place she grew up has inspired other business owners, artists, community members, and visitors of all ages to not only contribute to downtown Astoria, but to celebrate it.